Now my soul is troubled. And what shall I say? Father, save me from this hour. But for this purpose I have come to this hour. Father!